What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play Easy on Me by Adele on the good old uke. As always, we will go over the chords that we need for this song and also the strumming pattern that we're gonna use throughout. We'll give you a few different options. So if you wanna learn the song, then keep on watching. But before we go and learn the chords, make sure you're subscribed to the channel because a lot of you that watch these videos have not clicked that red subscribe button. So make sure to subscribe and join the uke fam. But with that being said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song coming up next. All right, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So the first chord that we're gonna need is the A minor chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this. And it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B flat chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna go over the 1st and 2nd string on the 1st fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then finally, you're gonna take your ring finger and place it on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. You can also extend your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 1st fret if you don't feel comfortable with just doing the bottom 2, and it'll sound exactly the same. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord. I'm gonna give you 2 different ways you can play this one as well. The first way is how I play it. So the first way is just going to be, you're gonna take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So it looks like that. Then what I like to do is I take my middle finger and I go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. So it looks like that. And it'll sound like this. And the reason why I do that is because my fingers are maybe a little bit thicker than the usual uke player, but you can also play it like this if you want to. So if you don't feel comfortable having your finger go over the 4th and 3rd string, you can just move your middle finger to the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it looks like that. And then take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So it's just kind of back to back. So if you can see, it looks like that. And it will sound exactly the same. Awesome. And last but definitely not least is the F chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, so it looks like that. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, so again, it'll look like this, and it'll sound like this. And there you have it. All right, so those are all 4 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're gonna play this song with the strumming coming up next. All right, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're gonna play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways that you can play this song. If you're a true beginner, you're like, Ricky, please don't add any strumming patterns to this song. I've just started learning yesterday, a week ago, literally an hour ago. Please do not add any strumming. I just love this song. I got you. So the first way we're gonna play this song is just going to be with a simple down strum. So you're gonna strum down with your thumb, and you're just gonna strum down whenever you see a new chord change. So you're just gonna strum down when you see a new chord change. And it sounds absolutely amazing. So the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and actually how I played it in the full ukulele play along for this song. That video will be linked in the description below. It's a separate video to this where the chords and lyrics are on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. So it's a super easy play along for you. So again, that will be linked down below, but we will go through the strumming pattern and do a tiny mini strum along in this video right here. So let's go ahead and talk about the strumming pattern that we're going to need, which is going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that again in 3, 2, 1. So again, that strumming pattern is going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. And as soon as you see a new chord, you're going to do that strumming pattern again. So, well, let's go ahead and do a little section of the song. I'll put the lyrics and chords on screen so you know exactly what you're going to be doing. So let's go ahead and start this tiny mini play along. But again, full play along linked down below. So we're going to start off with an F, and it's going to be in 3, 2, 1. There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. So again, you're gonna do that strumming pattern once for every chord, and again, it's just gonna be there ain't no gold. So you're gonna do that strumming pattern and then go to D minor, and then A minor, and then the B flat. So again, you're gonna do that strumming pattern down, up, down, up, down, up, once for every chord, and that is it for that strumming pattern. Super easy and simple. So those are the two different ways you can play this song. As always, make sure to play at your own pace, at your own level. If you don't want to do the strumming pattern, you can always do the strum down, and literally it'll sound absolutely amazing. But again, I highly recommend to also kind of push yourself a little bit and make sure to kind of push yourself out of your comfort zone so you actually learn the strumming patterns. But again, no shame in your game if you're just going to do a down strum. Again, I absolutely love it as well. I think it actually makes it sound a little bit more mysterious and cool, but let me know what you think in the comments below. So again, we learned about the chords and the couple different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Easy on Me by Adele on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing? It looks amazing. It looks unique. It sounds awesome. Well, this is a tenor-sized Enya Nova U. I'll leave a link in the description below. It also does come in a concert size and a soprano size, so they have come in a bunch of different sizes. I love this uke because, one, the design is so awesome and the sound, and also it's very durable. So if you're looking for something that you want to take traveling, if you want to just kind of throw it in your car and play it wherever you want to go, on the beach, in the river, apparently, as the song says, there ain't no gold in the river, but there is a uke in the river, which would be this. So I'll leave a link in the description below for this. So thank you, Enya, for making such affordable and high quality ukes. Also, talking about links in the description are links to the merch, currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie. And then we also do have the Uke Fam logo, which is the logo for this channel. That'll be down below. And links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to friend me, send me hi, say hi, send me a DM. Let me know what video you came from. And yeah, make sure to just leave some love also in the comments below, and your song recommendations and suggestions. I always love reading them and also listening to what you guys are listening to. So make sure to leave that in the comments below. Anyways, that is it for this video. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.